So we'll just do 1 and negative 2 here. And so therefore, we can multiply these and kind of see what we obtain here. So if I was going to multiply these, again, well, actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all 3 of them. I'll explain why it's easy to break these apart. So the first thing we do, guys, really contains no math. You set everything equal to x, right? Because that's what it is. It's the zeros. So you set everything equal to x, correct? Everybody follows me with that? Yeah. OK. Now the next thing is a little bit of math, adding and subtracting. Now we set them all equal to 0. Yes? I am. I'm going to do 3 at a time until a certain point. Then I'm going to stop and break off to do what I told you guys just to do. But this, we can all do these at the same time, right? We don't. So we have x minus 1 equals 0, x plus 2 equals 0, and x minus 7 equals 0. OK, so we have 3 of them, right? Now remember, applying the zero product property, we need to set these equal, we need to set these now back into their equation multiplied to equal to 0. So I have x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x minus 7 equals 0. So hopefully you guys should understand, hey, 3 zeros produce 3 factors. OK? Right? It kind of makes a little sense. 3 zeros produce 3 factors. Now, to get the polynomial, I need to multiply. So I only told you guys to do 2 at a time. So let's just multiply these 2 and see what happens. So when I do that, I'm just going to use it. Since there's only 2 terms, I'm going to do x minus 1 and x plus 2. So I have x times x, which is x squared. X times negative 1 is negative x. X times 2 is 2x. And 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Everybody follow me? Well, yes, absolutely. So on the diagonals, our terms simplify. So what I have here is really x squared plus x minus 2 times x minus 7 equals 0. So we still have a product of 2 factors. But now we have this times this. So the reason why I like the box method is because now, ladies and gentlemen, to multiply a trinomial times a binomial, all you need to do is add an extra column. And you do the same thing. So let's multiply these 2. So I write the trinomial up top, x squared plus x minus 2. And I write the binomial along the side, x minus 7. Now, I simply just go ahead and, again, find the area of each box. X times x squared is x cubed. X times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. X squared times negative 7 is negative 7x squared. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. And negative 7 times negative 2 is a positive 14. Whew. Again, what's nice about the box method is you guys can see the diagonals have like terms, right? I have x squared and x squared. I can combine those. I have x and x to the first power. I can combine those. So my final answer becomes x cubed. And I always like to write it in descending order. X cubed minus 6x squared, because negative 7x squared plus x squared is negative 6x squared. This becomes a negative 9x, and then plus 14. Now, since it equals 0, though, we're not trying to make it equal to 0, though, right? We're trying to find the equation. So we're simply just going to say, set it equal to y. What's your question, Darren?